Let us leverage AI tools to design high-impact microlearning. But how? A 60-minute webinar by ComLab India is all you want. Leverage AI tools to design high-impact microlearning. Join us on August 29, 2023, at 11 a.m. Eastern Time, where the host Howard B. Lewis will take us through distinguishing microlearning from other instructional strategies, identifying the form of microlearning through discovery questions, understanding the role of microlearning in offering spaced retrieval, refreshers, and reinforcement, developing microlearning assets with artificial intelligence tools, along with samples.